Hello, my name is Dan Moore. I am the Technology Manager for MISOM Technologies. Today we're going to look at the web console, the Light Fleet Management Application safety features, creating a 5023. Once I've logged in, I can open up the menu and go to Forms. And underneath Forms you can see we've got 5023. It's tied in with the database backend, so you can select the drop down, select your name, put in your serial number or your user ID number. I can start this in the office. Say this is an annual refresher. I can hit the drop down, pull up calendar and select today's date. Enter in annual refresher. Now in the web console I can start a form. I don't have the ability to initial it here. So we start the form in the office and then save. And this is going to be a new form. So the document, this is going to be my site template. So now that I've got that saved, I can come back to the forms box. And in my save forms, now I have a template that I can open up anytime that I want to and use that template for training other operators. It saves the information, but this form is not yet submitted. So we're going to go over to the iPad now and finish filling in the form on the iPad. So here I am on the iPad and I've opened up the Light Fleet Management application. I'm going to go into Manage Existing Documents because this will now have synchronized from the computer to the iPad. And I'll open up the site template that I created. So once that's loaded, now I can go ahead and finish this annual refresher that I started. So I need to initial the box here, and then my supervisor then would need to initial the box. Additionally, we'll update the date, which is still today's date. And then if we have additional subjects that we covered, and these are the standard checkboxes on the 5023, hazard recognition is usually one, emergency medical procedures, just all of the training that we covered, transport communication systems. I will then sign that I've received the training. One nice thing about these forms when you set up these templates, nobody ever remembers the MINE ID number. So you can put that in here, and then once it's saved, you can continue to use that over and over again, creating a new document each time. Now, we don't have to, but if we want to, we can take a picture of the person that was trained. So I'll take a picture of myself here, turn the camera around. Here I am in my office. Use that photo, attach it to the form, and in addition to that, if we want to, we can also add a geolocation stamp to that photo. So I just push this blue button and the geolocation stamp appears down here underneath. This has been saved, so I'm just going to submit it at this time. And it's been successfully submitted. So I close the toolbar and now just head back to Manage Documents. So we'll head back down to the web console and see what this looks like in the office. Okay, so I've come back in the office now, and I'm going to log in to the web console and go to Forms. When I open up Forms, I'm going to be looking at Submitted Forms. So I'll open this up. Here's my 5023 annual refresher with the signatures on there. It's locked, so I can't edit anything on this form. I've got the photo of me, geolocation. Then now, one of the requirements of an Msha form is that you give the user a copy of this. So what we've done is given you the ability to print the form. This form printing feature, you can issue it to a user either through the standard method, selecting a printer, and simply printing that form, or we can change this to a PDF file. And when we click save, we save it as a PDF, and I'll save that to my desktop. Now once I have that PDF, I can simply open it up. You can email this to the user or store it in your storage system. We're also still storing these on the database. So there really is no need to export and print the document. So that's how we create a Msha 5023. If you have any questions, please come visit us at www.misom.com.